What's happening, investors? Dean here, and I hope you're all doing well. In this video, we're speaking about a company that is really exciting. It's a company that has ran up nearly 40% on Friday, and they ran up another 13% in the after hours. The company we're speaking about is Vislink Technologies, ticker symbol VISL. Before we get into what's happening with this company and why this company has run up so much, as well as where I see it going, I just want to show you something. This is a little portfolio I made up of every stock I've spoken about this year on this channel. So far, we've spoken about 10 stocks, and what I do is I pretend to buy a stock at the price I speak about it, just one share of it. I add it in this portfolio to keep track as to how my picks are going this year, because I want to show you that I'm not making videos just for the sake of videos. I'm making quality videos on quality stock picks, and that is reflected by this portfolio. As you can see, out of the 10 stocks that we've spoken about this year so far in 2021, each and every one of them is in the green. Take a look at the total gain. They're all in the green. And if you don't believe me, you can check out every single video, have a look at what the price was in the video when I spoke about the stock, and look at the stock where it is now, and you will see each and every one is in the green. So if that doesn't give you a reason to subscribe to my channel, I don't know what will. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video so other people can find out about it. I'd really appreciate it. My goal for this year is 1,000 subscribers, and it's also to get 100% of the stocks that I speak about to be green by the end of the year. So it's a big ask, but it's something I'm committed to. I'm really concentrating on making good quality videos. I'm not just talking about stocks for the sake of talking about them. I'm talking about stocks that I see potential and hopefully make you some money and make me some money along the way. But I am not a financial advisor, and we don't speak about financial advice. These videos are for entertainment purposes only, and always do your own research before investing. With all that out of the way, let's take a look at the Vislink stock action. So it's been a crazy month for them. They are up tremendously. They have been consistently going up. Sure, there's been some dips along the way, but they are up over 100%. In fact, we're talking they're nearly up 120% for the month, which is huge amounts of growth. They're at $3.66 a share. They're up another 50 cents in the after hours right now. I personally see them running up even more in the pre-market on Monday, because they've had a pretty big weekend. There's been a lot of stuff happening with this company, but we'll get all into that. First, let's have a look at who they are and what they do. So Vislink are a leading innovator in advanced communication solutions. Vislink specializes in the collection, delivery, management, and distribution of mission-critical, high-quality live video and data from the scene of action to the viewing screen. Vislink's innovative solution allow military and first responders to protect and serve, while also providing content creators an industry-leading platform technology to create and distribute immersive and compelling content. So they've served the military, government, and industrial industries. They serve the satellite industry, and they serve the sports, news, and entertainment industry. So they are very versatile in the industries they serve. They have over 30,000 customers, and look at some of the names here. Look at the broadcasters: Fox News, CNN, ESPN, Sky Sports, live and sports entertainment. Look at the names, look at the brands, military and government. There's obviously some massive names here, and this shows that they are a reputable company. They are a very good company. They're here to stay. They've been here for a while, and they're very good at what they do. But what is it that they do? Well, they have a broad portfolio of products and services, and their goal is to get images on your screen. So they are the ones that are getting the Super Bowl on your screen this weekend. So they're the cameras, they're the satellites, they're the ones in that. They're in the missions of the army, so they're getting live images to military bases or wherever they need to be, so the people up there can see exactly what's going on as it happens. They're involved with first responders. They're very involved. So they're all about the screens. They're all about the cameras. They're all about the satellites that get the images to them, and all that stuff in between. As you can see, they have their wireless camera, their onboard camera, their point-to-point radios, electronic news gathering devices, body-worn solutions, aerial video downloading, and specialized antennas. They have satellite systems, and they provide services such as systems architecture and design, installation, integration, and training and reoccurring maintenance. If we take a look at this image here, you can just see their involvement in just this scene here, just the stadium, and this is the stuff that's being used on the Super Bowl. They have their ref cams, they have their cameras, they have their point of view cameras. They've got the point of view cameras on the players' helmets. They've got the cameras that hang on the wires in the sky. So that's their involvement. They've got all the cameras and the technology that gets the images that these cameras produce to your screen live. That's what they do. That's a very important market, especially in today's day and age. Think about how many sports you watch live. Think about how many shows, how important this would be to military, to first responders. It is critical. So it's obviously a massive market, and that's why this company is running up. This company is running up because it's getting to Super Bowl weekend, and people know that this company is going to get involved. They're hoping that they're going to be somewhere on the screen. Mind you, this isn't new for this company. They've been doing the Super Bowl for years. You can look into that. I've saw one article from 2015. So that's 6 years at least they've been doing it, and probably even more. So it's nothing new. However, if they can get some sort of on-screen image, they feel that the stock would skyrocket, and that's why people piled into this company on Friday. And as that happened, the stock price shot up and more people heard about it. I just want to show you a really cool thing that I found. This is a screen capture from a live recording of NASA's SpaceX launch. And if you look at the satellite that is broadcasting the SpaceX launch, we can see it's got the Vislink logo on them. So this is what people were hoping to see in the Super Bowl. They were hoping to see a satellite or a camera or something or other. And that's why everyone's piled in and bought into the stock. Now, I don't see that as a bad thing. I think this company has now got a lot of exposure to a lot of new investors, and investors that see how great they are and see the potential growth of the company. Now, they are owned by BlackRock. BlackRock did buy 259,750 shares back in 2020. It seems like they haven't added since then. However, when a company like BlackRock is invested, especially being invested recently within the last 6 months, I like to see smart money, particularly big names like BlackRock, invested in the companies that I'm looking at to buy, the companies that I'm speaking about, particularly when they're penny stocks, because these are viewed as high risk plays. And again, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before investing, because this stock can easily go down. They ran up massively on Friday. They've been going up huge over the past month. It looks like they probably got to go up a lot in the pre-market on Monday, and maybe even on Monday. And when a company goes up that much, with people piling into it off the hype alone, hoping to get that swing trade, I can fully expect a sell-off. However, in the long term, even at these prices, I still think that this is a great company to invest in. I can see this hitting the $6 mark very soon. I really can. I think maybe even next week we're going to hit that. I don't know if it's going to sustain, because obviously a lot of people, they'll be up 100, 200, 300% on their money, and they're going to cash in. They're just going to take that money and run. But this company is in a growing industry. They're a company that clearly has very good fundamentals, because they're involved in some massive names. They're involved in military. They're involved in so many industries. I just see them as a great buy and hold company for the future. And I also see them as a good potential swing trade. However, you're a lot more likely to make a profit in the long run than you are over the next week. It depends how the market reacts, depends how big of a sell-off we get. But that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I showed you why you should be subscribed. 10 out of 10 of the companies we're speaking about this year are green. The goal is 1,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. You can really help me get there. 1,000 subscribers, that's what we want. And we also want every company we speak about, every stock that I speak about on this channel, to be green by the end of the year. So I'm taking this very seriously. I'm working hard to get you the best companies and the best content I can. So hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bells, check out my latest video. I'll leave it at the end of this one. I think you'd like it, especially if you're looking for a company that has some huge catalysts coming up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, Have a good one.